In this demonstration, I'm going to walk you through one of our ThingWorx applications, Real-Time Production Performance Monitoring, available as part of our Factory Insights as a Service SaaS offering, or as an on-premise deployment. For this demo, I'm going to be playing the role of a plant manager for an automotive component production area, supplying our engine assembly with parts. In the past, I've pored over pages and pages of reports that were collected from various sources which were not normalized on the same time accounting. But here, the real-time production performance monitoring application is collecting everything I need and putting accurate, up-to-date performance data in my hands so I can make informed, timely decisions that increase my OEE and overall yield. Let me show you how to view this information. From the landing page, I select the Real-Time Production Performance Monitoring tile. Selecting here will lead me to the dashboard that I would use as a manufacturing executive or plant manager to get top-down, real-time visibility into how I'm performing against my plant KPIs. I can easily configure this dashboard, and I can drill down to get details to further understand what is impacting my KPIs. The first dashboard allows me to access dynamic KPI reports for all types of equipment that are connected to ThingWorx and are part of my plant. The advanced filter guides me through the process of configuring the dashboard to show exactly the information that will help in my current task. First, I select the equipment I want to see on my KPI report. This selector has multiple options to filter the equipment list based on types, search for names, or pick from an equipment list to make the selection easier. I have the option to select equipment from other plants to compare performance or to get an overview of the KPIs of different sites during a specific time range. In addition to the equipment, I can select the time frame over which I want to see the data. The drop-down in the advanced filter provides me with a list of common functional options. Let's look at the data from yesterday. Now I have a dashboard showing the current, consistent KPIs based on my selection criteria. This allows me to make reliable comparisons and decisions based on accurate information. I see a row for each piece of equipment requested with OEE, availability, performance, and quality data. I can drill into the details for each component of this dashboard. By clicking the KPI value, the system provides a detailed view into the historical data for the selected time frame that leads to the calculated KPI. Clicking OEE shows me the detail for the availability, performance, and quality that led to OEE and the expected outcome for each of those KPIs. A deep dive into performance shows how many product units were produced and expected, as well as the specified product model that was produced. This drill-down functionality allows me as a plant manager to investigate low KPI values or specific events that affect the quality or throughput of my plant. RTPPM also provides an equipment centralized dashboard for production managers or shift managers. This dashboard provides insights into the performance and quality data, as well as historical trends of specific equipment. Like the KPI dashboard, our first step is to select the equipment for which we want to see the performance data. After selecting the equipment, I need to select a time frame over which to show the data on the dashboard. We see now the KPIs for the selected equipment over the time frame we picked. The user can now select the different KPI tiles to get insights into the historical trends and events that were aggregated by RTPPM to produce the KPI result. Looking into the OEE, we see the historical trend of all 4 KPIs, as well as the utilization timeline that displays any downtime events on the equipment. Drilling into availability provides me with a pie chart that shows the distribution between uptime and different types of downtime events. The bar chart shows the weight of the downtime event types based on time for the equipment in the selected time frame. The performance drill down shows in what performance area the equipment has operated and the production distribution during that time. Quality insights provide a view into waste events and categories. We can see how much waste was produced on this equipment during the selected time frame and the reason for the waste. The data for each of those charts in all KPI drill downs can be exported by the user for any analysis in a third-party system or to share the data with others. RTPPM allows companies to move beyond asset-oriented OEE to understand and compare performance across assets, lines, or products based on time, shift, or crew. Utilizing the real-time production performance monitoring application, PTC customers have noted significant performance improvements in OEE and yield.